Every effective AI prompt has 4 ingredients. Miss one and your results suffer. Include all 4 and you'll consistently get useful output. The formula is simple: role plus task plus context plus format. Role tells the AI who it should be. Task says exactly what you want. Context gives it the background it needs. And format tells it how to structure the answer. That's the whole thing. In this lesson, we'll walk through each part with a clear before and after example, then combine all 4 into one strong prompt. The rest of this course builds on this formula, so it's worth getting comfortable with it now. Keep these 4 words in mind as we go: role, task, context, format. Let's start with role. Telling the AI who it should be primes it with the right knowledge, tone, and perspective. Without a role, a prompt like "explain machine learning" leaves the AI guessing at who it's talking to and how deep to go. Now compare that to giving it a role. You are a data scientist explaining concepts to a non-technical marketing team. See the difference? Suddenly the AI knows to skip the jargon, use plain language, and frame things for a business audience. The same underlying topic, but the output will land very differently. A good role is the fastest way to shift the entire feel of a response. So, before anything else, decide who you want the AI to be. Next is the task. Be specific about exactly what you want, because vague tasks produce vague results. Something like "write something about our product" gives the AI almost nothing to work with, and you'll get something generic back. Instead, be precise. Write a 3-sentence value proposition for our product that highlights speed, simplicity, and cost savings. Notice everything that packs in. You've defined the length, 3 sentences. You've named the deliverable, a value proposition, and you've listed the exact points to hit. The AI no longer has to guess what success looks like because you've spelled it out. Whenever you catch yourself writing a fuzzy task, ask, "What would a great answer actually contain?" Then put that in the prompt. Third is context. This is the background the AI needs to do the job well. Who is the audience? What's the situation? What constraints apply? Take "write a cold email." On its own, that could go 100 directions. Now watch what context does. Write a cold email to a head of marketing at a B2B SaaS company. We're offering an AI analytics tool. They've never heard of us. Keep it under 100 words. Now the AI knows the recipient, their role, what you're selling, that this is a first touch and a length limit. That's the situation and the constraints handed over up front. Context is often what separates a generic draft from one that actually fits your real world. The more relevant background you give, the less the AI has to invent. The fourth part is format. Tell the AI how to structure the output, otherwise it guesses, and it often guesses wrong. Ask for interview questions with no format, and you might get a wall of text or a random number of them in whatever shape the AI feels like. Instead, spell out the structure. Give me 5 interview questions in a numbered list. For each question, add 1 sentence explaining what it reveals about the candidate. Now you've defined the count, the layout, a numbered list, and even what each item should include. You'll get back something clean and ready to use, not something you have to reformat by hand. Format is easy to forget, but it's often the difference between output you can drop straight into your work and output you have to fix first. Now let's combine all 4 into one prompt. Here's a weak one. Help me write a performance review. There's no role, no real task, no context, and no format. Watch it transform. You are an experienced HR manager writing a performance review for a software engineer. The engineer delivered a major feature on time and mentored 2 junior developers, but struggled with communication in cross-team meetings. Write a balanced 3-paragraph performance review. Start with achievements, address the communication gap constructively, and end with growth goals for next quarter. Look at all 4 parts working together. There's the role, the situation, and specifics as context, a clear task, and an exact 3-paragraph structure. That second prompt will produce something you can actually use, instead of a generic template you'd have to rewrite. Here's your turn. Take any prompt you've used recently and add all 4 parts. Give it a role, sharpen the task, load in the context, and specify the format. Then notice the difference in output quality. It's usually dramatic. The best way to learn this is to feel it for yourself, so try it right now. You can use the interactive prompt playground on this lesson page at FreeAcademy.ai to test your prompt instantly, or just paste it into an AI assistant like ChatGPT or Claude and compare the before and after. This formula is the foundation for everything that follows in this course, where you'll learn how to make each part even stronger. So run one prompt through it before you move on and see the difference for yourself.